English Learning Network.
Hello.
Hi,
My name is Anna. What's your name?
my name is David. Nice to meet you, Anna.
Nice to meet you too, David.
Are you new here?
Yes, I am. This is my first day.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you. I feel a little nervous.
That's okay. Everyone feels nervous on the first day.
Really?
Yes, I was nervous too when I started.
That makes me feel better.
Don't worry, you will be fine.
Thank you for being so kind.
Of course. So, where are you from?
I'm from Canada. What about you?
I'm from Australia.
Oh, wow. That's nice. How long have you been here?
I've been here for 1 year.
That's a long time. Do you like it here?
Yes, I do. The people are friendly and the city is beautiful.
That's good to hear. I think I will like it too.
I'm sure you will.
What do you do here?
I work in the marketing team. How about you?
I work in the content team.
Oh, great. We can work together.
Yes, that sounds nice.
Do you want me to show you around later?
Yes, please. I would like that.
Perfect. I can show you the break room and the office.
Thank you, David.
You're welcome, Anna.
It was nice talking to you.
Nice talking to you too. See you later.
See you.
If you found this lesson helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to English Learning Network for more English lessons. Thanks for watching. See you next time.